Hiya Duck. So I'm here to voice over this little video for you of a set of nails I did for a client. So let's call this series Watch Me Work. So I love these nails because they are like, I would say that these nails are very editorial. They have a slight Korean twist to them. So I'm just using the Lily liner brush now to frame this nail. You can see on the other nails what I've done is I have sculpted out like quite a natural nail with a natural colour, like a milky white. This part on the index finger, you can see the one with the black nail, it's got like an open section at the end that is transparent, and I love that. On the pinky we have the colour Chewy, which is over the top, and it's a matte colour. I know what a matte colour is. That even a colour? It's a matte effect, but it's also got like the little shards of black and glitter in them. But for this middle finger that I'm doing now, I'm framing this with the colour Void, which is our blackest black ever, and I'm using the Lily liner brush. I want to take my time doing this because I want to make sure it's nice and perfect. I want to make sure I go right to the side wall. So those of you that didn't know, I actually started to take on clients again. I felt like I was just like, not doing enough people interacting, if you get what I mean. I needed to see more people for my own mental health, so I started doing clients. And do you know what? Why I ever stopped, I don't know. I got busy, life got in the way, but here we are, we're doing clients again. And I absolutely love it. So I appreciate every single client that walks through the door. I really do. And I hear so many amazing stories. You know, I pretty much, for those few hours that my clients here, I get to hear all about their life. So it's pretty cool. And I obviously can't tell you all the stories that I've been told because, you know, it's confidential. So if you ever come to me to have your nails done and you tell me something confidential, I ain't going to tell everybody on YouTube. But there was this one girl. I'm only joking. I'm not going to tell you. Obviously, if you want me to tell people things, I can do that, but yeah. So we're doing on this design, so we're doing this like zebra-y kind of pattern, and I'd normally sort of do this like at an angle across the nail and cover the entire nail, but I kind of wanted to do this just down the middle. I was like, I just want to do it just down the middle, quite simple, something that people can recreate. So I like to do stuff like that. Obviously, I love doing the crazy nails, but I wanted to do something that's more simple. And obviously, it depends what the client's booked in for. So we have sort of 3 levels of a nail service. We have, I say we, I always say the royal we because I'm doing the nails, no one else. So I do gel polish with Strengthify on natural nails, and then I also do nail extensions, which I call the normal nail extensions. So there'll be a nail extensions with sort of nail art on them as well. So they're not like crazily long, they're more salon length. This is a salon length, what I'm doing now. So, and then I also do bespoke extreme nails as well, which I obviously absolutely love doing, but they take a very, very long time and they cost a lot more money because of the time. So yeah, we're just going to add this design running horizontally and also vertically. Instead of going at an angle, I love leopard print and I love doing it at an angle, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. And the Lily liner brush just makes it easy to do. And I wanted to film doing my clients just on the overhead, just so you've got something to sort of reference to, because obviously we film long videos that take a long time to do. And I want you to see in kind of real time what it's like to work on a client and what kind of stuff my clients would have. Hopefully it'll give you some inspo as well. You know, I'm going to do clients that have crazy nails, clients that have more tame nails. I want you to have something that you can look at and recreate yourself as well. So we're going to top coat this now. And this is where I get confused. I can't remember what I did. I think I did more matte. I think this is matte top coat. I should know. I don't think it is actually. I think this is glossy top coat. We're going on with glossy. But I swear I do some matting of the nails. But I feel like I did these nails a while ago and I can't really remember exactly what I did. I can remember the photos and I remember how gorgeous the photos were because I was so pleased that the photos came out really well. I kind of feel like all the effort goes into the nails and I have to put as much effort into the photos as I do the nails, because these nails walk out the door and I never see them again, and it's like I've created these gorgeous nails and then they go forever and I have no memory of them. Well, I only have my memory, shall I say. I don't have anything, so the photos mean a lot to me. So I buffed them, but we're going on with matte now. Matte top coat, sealing everything in. Going to give it a gorgeous matte effect, but I know that this is definitely not the end of this design. They look nice like that. They look gorgeous, but we want something a little bit extra, don't we? So I'm going to take this gorgeous, amazing stuff, which is it's like plasticine, basically, but it's gel. And I'm going to make these little rings. So I kind of roll it like a sausage and pop it onto the nail. Because it's gel, it adheres to it. I'm using the Cassidy 3D brush. I've got some clean up solution on my brush, just so it doesn't stick to it. It's going to help me move it around. And then I'm going to rub some chrome into it. And look at it. It looks like an actual ring. It looks like the nail just got married. And then we're going to seal that with top coat because it's not going to stay on its own. It doesn't work like that. You wash your hands and it'll just go, okay, ta-ra, duck. It'll go bye-bye. So we're going to seal that with the glossy top coat. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!